Hey everyone, this video is about the workshop build. As I guess by now you've seen the title. Yep, the old lathe, it's dead, proper dead. That vase killed it. So I'm going to be needing a new one. Where's it coming from? That's in the next video. Problem, the workshop is not fit for another lathe yet, and it really needs sorting ASAP. I do woodwork and metalwork in my workshop, so I need the ability to do both. Also adapted for me at the right height and usable workspace and benches. So please watch this short video just on how we make my workshop perfect for me. Also, you may see a few little hints later on as to a couple of other videos that are coming very soon. It's great to have my good lady helping me, even when we sometimes end up with more paint on us than we do on the wall. Also, the standing frame came in really helpful for this.
Quello che mi sei niente. Sto faster with this. Cool.
Right, well, that's enough of that fun over and done with. I got a amazing chop saw here. It's a circular saw for steel, and that's 10mm steel plate that was cutting through. It did a really good job until I found the blades don't last anywhere near as long as they should do, and it starts pulling off to an angle. So they ended up going back, unfortunately. I ended up cutting the rest of this with an angle grinder. So you can see here there's the flip table. That video will be coming soon. I'm not showing you on here. But yeah, those steel plates, they're mega heavy. They're 75 kilograms each. So moving them, I had to do a bit of Roman engineering with some pipes and rolling them about. There's that table again. Stay tuned for that one. That's a little welding trolley I made. And this is the welding table I made, a full fixture table, and they're all threaded holes when they're done. It's my little miss just using the speed punch. Got to get the kids working, haven't you? So I bought a mag drill to do this, and it's fantastic. Did a great job, really worked well, and that has 1,200 kilograms of force when that magnet's switched on. I'm not moving that, definitely not moving that. That would have taken me hours and hours and hours to do with a hand drill. So I needed some more storage next to my welding bench, and I had some sheet material left over from the kitchen I had built. It came out quite well. Just put some MDF doors on it, as I'll show you now. Please keep watching my channel and keeping an eye out for the new videos that's up and coming, as I've got a really big reveal.